Stan's last question is, how long should I stay on the gram a day Rick Simpson protocol, and how do I know when to stop?
Okay, so that's a great question as well. So you, like you mentioned in the previous question, you work up to the gram a day, and the general Rick Simpson protocol is 60 grams, but you take it until you have overcome the situation, basically. So a lot of people will say, okay, I'm doing that 60 grams, and then it's going to taper off into a maintenance phase. And what if you haven't overcome the actual condition, in this case, cancer, then if you go into a maintenance phase too soon, then you will never overcome it, and you'll just like slow down its progression, but it will still progress, and you'll get what the end result of cancer, which is for most people death, and or just be uncomfortable for the rest of your life, basically. So in order to actually overcome the situation, like get your body healthy enough to beat whatever's going on inside of you, then you need to do it for the length of time until you're actually better, right? And then which goes to the latter part of Stan's question, which was, how do I know when to stop? So when you're actually better, and then you go about, I would say, at least a couple weeks to a month after that. Okay, and just to make sure everything's the way it is and there's no quick relapses, and then you go into a maintenance phase after that. And that's why it's important to talk with a cannabis caregiver such as myself when you're going through this, so you go through it long enough to actually get the beneficial result that you're looking for, and then taper down into a beneficial maintenance phase that is going to keep the results that you got. Right? Does that make sense?
It makes sense.